All right, today I have a Hyundai Kona, and I'm going to show you how to reset the windows on a Hyundai Kona. You're going to need to do this if you have had some maintenance work or some glitch in the system. You're going to need to know how to reset the windows, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm in the Hyundai Kona. In order to reset the windows, what I'll do is I'll look to the left-hand side, and you see these controls down here. These are the controls for the windows. And in order to reset the windows, you have to do this for each window that needs to be reset. So I'm going to do the driver's side. And so I'm going to select the button for the driver's side, which is this one. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this down so the window rolls all the way down, and I'm going to hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to take this, press it, hold it down 5-10 seconds, and then I'm going to roll it up. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm going to roll it down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It's down, right? Now I'm going to take it and roll it all the way up. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and release it. And then the window should be reset. So look, automatic reset like that. Boom. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.